Defrost, cook, and retherm small food items with this sharp, medium-duty commercial microwave. The express defrost setting automatically separates the total defrost time into 3 stages with different power levels. A double quantity pad automatically adjusts cook time for 2 portions for best results, and the memory check feature enables the user to confirm the time and power setting before cooking. Computerized touch controls enable operators to program 10 memories with safeguards in place to prevent unauthorized tampering. To learn more and to add a sharp microwave to your operation, visit KaTom.com or call our customer care team at 800-541-8683.